Hello dear students, hope you all are well. So today in mathematics chapter number 11 mensuration, we are going further to the next topic, which is solid shapes. Okay, we know about all the shapes. ठीक है, जितने भी शेप की हाइट है, लेंथ है, ब्रेड्थ है, they all are called solid shapes. So here our first shape is cuboid. Okay, the cuboid has vertex, face and edges, which we studied in our previous standards. Now a cuboid has a length L, height h and breadth, or you can say width, उसकी wideness, which is b. ठीक है, so this is a cuboid. Now if we want to find out the surface area of cuboid, ठीक है, for that we have to find out how many faces or edges cuboid have. So total one length. Okay, if we talk about this, here we have total 6 faces. If you can see that we have 6 faces, 1 2 ऊपर वाला 3 4 5 and 6. We have 6 faces. So area of the face is L into B, H into L, H into B. ठीक है, therefore surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 times HL plus LB plus BH. So this is the formula for surface area of cuboid. Well, L is equal to length, where L is equal to length, H is equal to height and B is equal to breadth. Okay, so this is the surface area of cuboid, 2 times HL plus LB plus BH. There is another formula for lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means if we talk about only the 4 phases, if we don't take roof, or you can say top and bottom, only 4 phases. For example, if we take a room, so if you want to color all the walls, not to roof and the floor, so what is the equation for that? So we have our lateral surface area is equal to 2 into L plus B into H. This is the formula for lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means if we talk about only walls, not the roof, not the floor. Now the next solid shape is cube. Cube is similar to the cuboid, but in the cube all the sides are same. So L is equal to B is equal to H. Length is equal to breadth is equal to height. All the sides are same. We can take it as a L. Okay. Therefore, surface area of cube. Okay. We have 6 faces, right? Therefore, surface area of cube will be 6L square. It will be 6L square. So the surface area of cube will be 6L square. Now the next shape is cylinder. Now, if we think about cylinder, right? A hollow cylinder, not the solid one. A hollow cylinder, or you can consider a pipe. Okay, like a pipe. So, it has a height, right? And two circular ends. So, we know that the perimeter of circle is 2 pi r and the cylinder has its height. So, the surface area will be 2 pi r and include the height h. So, it will become 2 pi r h. The surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Now, if we talk about total surface area, okay, total surface area means if we cover both the ends, okay, if we tie a cloth or rubber or close the ends, we get the total surface area. Total surface area is equal to 2 pi r h plus we cover both the end with the circles. Okay, so the surface area of circle is pi r square and pi r square. Here we have two circles, so we write it as a 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r common, you will end with the 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. So if we talk about surface area, or you can say curved surface area, or it also called lateral surface area, so the formula will be 2 pi r h. And if we talk about total surface area, so the formula will be 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. Okay, so we learn three formulas: cuboid, cube and cylinder. Okay, for the next video or lecture, we will solve some example related to this formula. Thank you everyone.